Ranking EAS alerts from different countries, Part 3.
4、3、2、1。
5 out of 10. I've heard somewhere on a different YouTube channel that it's actually a woman counting down from 10, and then the alarm starts, which is kind of creepy, but it's not, the alarm isn't scary itself. 9 out of 10. This is what we need to hear as well. Nice job, and why the heck is it so loud? Alright, we have looked at a lot of EAS alarms, and now it's time to decide which one is the scariest. Third place is Portugal. Nice job. Pretty scary. 9 out of 10. It's really loud too. Second place, Malaysia. Nice job. Pretty scary. And you get second place. And the winner for the scariest EAS alarm in the world is 100 out of 10. Thank you all for watching. And this series was really popular. And if I missed any EAS alerts, just comment down below and I'll listen to those.